Hey guys, welcome back to Yoke and Spoke. Harry. So, look what I've just bought myself. Have a guess. Nukeproof Horizon V2 29er wheelset. I was just browsing the Black Friday's sales and Wiggle got me. I've sort of had my eye on these wheels for some time, especially after seeing the reviews on Hardtail Party, and they just kept coming down, and then on Black Friday they just dropped down to 480 Australian dollars posted, and had a couple of other little kit with it as well, sealant and some rim protectors. So I just couldn't resist, and all the wheels I've bought so far for all my rigs have been second hand and not that great. So it was time. Let's have a look at them. So there's the package. They were wrapped in plastic. I actually am doing my third take now, so bear with me on that one. So there's the sealant, 500 mils worth there. That's pretty cool. So they came with some rim protector, front and back. I'll probably try this out on the rear because I have been getting a few strikes lately. Alright, oh yeah. Something about just getting a new set of wheels, isn't there? Okay. Let's have a look at these babies. So, already got the valves and taped, and the valves are really cool. They've got aluminium and they've got a little core remover in them, which is awesome. I chose the HG because the HG cassettes are a lot cheaper than XD and microspline and easier to get. 6-bolt. You want to hear him? Oh, that 102 point engagement. Look at that. It's almost instant. I'm looking forward to that because the current ones I have is, I don't know, 10 degrees. The DT Swiss are actually got only 18 points. And you really notice it in the tricky stuff. Here's the front. Nice spin on that. That's good. You want to check out the weight? Let's grab the scales and check them out. Just got these digital luggage scales, but I think they're pretty accurate. I think they're around, supposed to be like around 2 kilos for the set, but we'll see. Moment of truth. Okay, we've got another 890 there for the front. I think that's pretty close. I think the rear was supposed to be 1100 or something. $11.80. So around 2 kilos. As it is. Alright, so I'm looking forward to getting these ones on the bike. I'm going to put them on Big Al, and I'm running 2.6 Terravale Cumberlands, which I was using on the Nordist, but I've switched them on to Big Al because they're faster and beefier, and the Big Al takes the 2.6 easy, if you're wondering about that. A little bit tighter on the rear on the Nordist, so They're going to be 2.5s. Oh no, I'm going to put 2.4s actually on the Nordist. 2.6 on Big Al. Trying to lighten up the Nordist. The Big Al's light anyways. So looking forward, so I'm going to put them on, take them out for a few spins, and then I'll do a review out at Glenrock, which has got a bit of everything. It's a good test track. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the bike. I sure as hell am, because the weather's suddenly got a lot better here in Australia. Woohoo! See you next time.